I enrolled on the foundation degree Health and Social Care to gain more experience in my job and looking to further my career. I chose Pembrokeshire College as I live locally and I have studied previously at Swansea University and it's just too far to go. So when this course came up, I came straight away to sign up. My confidence has increased. It's quite a social occasion as well, and the lecturers are really supportive and I'm really enjoying it. The lecturers on our Health and Social Care Foundation degree are fantastic. They've got a wide range in knowledge, they're very experienced and they've offered us so much support. They've been brilliant. After completing the foundation degree, there is an option to top it up at Swansea. I'm not sure whether I will or not, but I'm hoping to go into management or social work. I would highly recommend this course. It's been absolutely brilliant and it's local as well.